Do you know that in old Igbo tradition, a baby boy had a palm tree that is called after his name? Okay. Long ago in Igbo land, when a baby boy's umbilical cord fall off, the father will wrap it inside an ogrishi leaf together with one fresh palm nut and then bury it in his ancestral land. After a while, the palm nut will germinate and grow into a tree that will be called after the boy's name, such as Nkwụ Chukwuemeka, Nkwụ Obasi, Nkwụ Achife, and so on. But why this practice, you may ask? Because palm trees live long and healthy, and so it's believed that the boy will live long, healthy, and strong. Palm trees are known as the wealth tree. Every part of it is useful. That meant that the boy would grow to be wealthy and resourceful. And more beautifully, it's believed that wherever the child may travel to make money, he would always return home to invest, just as his palm tree stood rooted in his father's land. This beautiful Igbo culture deserves to be remembered and revived. Or don't you think so?